Hey friends, back in the studio, Casey Ashmore here. We're talking about that sign, really. Don't give up the ship. How do you maintain hope and perseverance in the face of what could be crushing criminal consequences, right? Life sentences, repeat offender, what have you, and some real world examples of what can happen when you do give up hope and perseverance and when you do not, when you hold fast, when you don't give up the damn ship. So I've had the privilege recently to represent two clients from two different walks of life, both of whom repeat offenders, both of whom were facing minimum 25 to 99 sentencing guidelines, right? Minimum 25 years. That's 1/4 of a really extended life. It's 1/3 of an average life, right? 75, 74, 80, 25 years off of that is what? You're dead, right? You ain't got enough years, right? Because 1 through 18 is gone. So you ain't got enough years left. When you give up hope, when you fail to deal with your feelings with sobriety, deal with the pain, right? To be tempered. When you give up hope, when you give up persevering, the consequences are drastic. You cannot win if you don't show up. Had a client, this is not the first time this has happened. Had a client fail to show up. Not an impossible burden, right? Show up. Could not deal with the emotions and the stress of facing a jury, a judge, a trial, even though that client had asked for it, demanded it, in fact, invoked their God-given right, protected by our constitutions of the United States and the state of Texas, to put his 25 to 99 in the hands of a jury. And then could not deal with the emotions, the challenges, right? And immediately turned back to self-medication, drugs, alcohol, right? And just crushed all that hope. Crushed all that perseverance, right? Persevering. Could not face any more strain and absolutely sabotaged his case. You don't show up to court, especially if there's a jury seated. The jury can convict you even if you're on the run, right? If jeopardy has attached, doesn't matter if you fled. You're going to be convicted, right? Because why? Because we know from the Bible that the wicked flee when none pursue. The wicked flee when none pursue. So going on the run is the worst thing you can do. And it shows an absence of hope and an absence of perseverance. And it tells the 12 jurors that you've asked to sit in judgment of you that you're afraid of them and what jury verdict they're going to render.